Ladies and gentlemen, you all know pharmaceutical trade is both complex and evolving, but this $1 trillion market is currently facing many issues and challenges. I mean, counterfeited drugs kill more than 1 million people in the world each year, which is just unacceptable. Buyers and sellers struggle to make their routine transactions of medicines. Drug shortages, a lack of transparency of the supply chain, a relatively weak adoption of IoT in the industry, and so on and so forth. So this is why we are bringing a new product to the table, and it's called Trade Pharma Network, PHARMA-CENTRIC, marketplace that uses the most disruptive cutting-edge technologies. So I'm talking about here actually is the benefits of pharma transactions, but to combine them with the greatness and the awesomeness of blockchain, AI, IoT, 3D printing to take your current models to the next level while constantly complying with the regulation. Thank you.